Hey everyone on weather.com. My name is Jullieanne and I am in Boston, Massachusetts. And I wanted to show you guys what we have been experiencing. This is my backyard. Those are our cars. And we actually had this whole place plowed. So all of that snow that you see on the top here, that is our driveway. So that right there is actually where the snow started, and all of that is just the plow. And those are the icicles, if you can see them, that we've been experiencing. So it's just been absolutely crazy. The trains, the bus stations, everywhere has just been out of control snow. We just don't have any more place to put it. I'm sure everyone's working hard. As you see, even right above me, in the parking lot, there is a plow truck there. But it's just been horrible. It's been so bad. So thanks for weather.com for reporting. We check it regularly. And I hope everyone else in the country is just not experiencing this. We've already heard about Chicago and different places. So, anyways, I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day to make up for this. And hello from Boston, and hello from all the snow. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.